everybody, my name is Chloe, and
I'm
this
Schae.
is Schae with Mission to Organize, and today we are going to be opening up a UbeCube box.
We can't wait to see what's inside.
Right.
Okay, so while she gets that open, I'll tell you, we do know that it's a gray crate with the small 3x3 drawers in seafoam. Ooh, I like it already.
All right.
Okay, let's see if we can figure this out.
Yes.
Yes, I will grab the box. Look at how nicely it's packaged. Oh my gosh, it looks like it's already together and ready to. How cool
You
is
don't have
that?
to assemble anything, which is kind of nice. Here, the handles are here.
Oh,
right?
look at this.
So there we go.
Hello.
Oh, and then look at that. Look at
That's what I was saying. I'm like, it's literally already together. So we were making it way more difficult than it actually
way more difficult.
is.
Although I'm pretty sure that you are still able to take this portion off because there are little locks on the top.
Oh, and look, our drawer has little instructions. Side panels. Okay. Something in here too.
Another gift. Surprise. I can't see anything. Yeah. Oh, these do.
Ooh, silicone rubber foot pads.
Okay, nice.
Okay, those are going to come in handy.
I bet that they go on here.
By the way, we are going to put this inside of our storage unit that we have for Mission to Organize. Inside of that storage unit, we hold all kinds of supplies for our clients, for our organizers, for our cleaning crew, and all of that. So I got these small ones so that we can put all of our little gadgets, like little pens and markers and Post-its and things like that inside of our storage unit. So that's why I ordered this one.
I like it.
What is this?
But I'm curious, why are there a bunch of little locks if I can't?
Well, you can use this in a lot of different ways. Like some people use it to like hold records. So there wouldn't be these like drawer inserts.
Oh, you can install new panels. So you might be able to change out the colors. Like they might be able to be
like put
out.
white like windows or something.
Okay, so here are some rubber foot pads that you can put on the bottom to make sure that it doesn't move around. If you're using the drawers, that's going to be really nice so that it's not moving around and scraping your floor. Oh my gosh, there's so many little fun. There are like shallow bins that can be stacked inside of the UbeCube so that you can have multiple items in there. They have a cooler bag, the drawer system, which is what we got. Oh, they've got multiple drawer systems. So we got the 9 drawer system here. They also have 3 drawers, 4 drawers, or 2 drawers as well, which is nice. So very multi-purpose. Transparent panels, that's what it is. So you can get a transparent panel to put in here instead of this cross-hatching thing. If you want to see, you can still kind of see inside. There are rubber handles that can come with it. There are UbeCube accessories that I think they're somehow supposed to click into these sections and then hold external things like scissors or this one. Oh, if you had like a coil, like if you were using this for cords or anything like that, you can stick this into the side and you could wrap cords around it.
What is this one?
Cup holder!
It's a cup holder.
Wait, that's cool.
How cute is that? Okay, by the way, warning, do not use the crates to stand on.
Oh, that's good to know.
Do not sit on the crate without a seat topper and tray. So you can sit on it. But
oh my gosh, wait, that's so cute. Imagine like taking this to like your kid's baseball game or something. You got the cooler inside of it. You have the cup holder on the outside. You got the seat on top. It's all in one package. Yeah.
Vibes. Picnics. You have the handles. Do not load more than 50 pounds and do not stack more than 3 high.
Okay.
I mean,
not bad.
Yeah.
So.
It's funny though. It says instruction manual, but there's no instructions on how to insert these. So I feel like it goes in and it like turns or something.
That's what I was thinking too. There is a QR code to scan to discover more, but we are stubborn and are not going to.
We're just going to keep smashing it in. Oh, by the way.
Hey, I unlocked one and it came out.
Okay, we turned all of the little latches and ta-da.
You're supposed to,
okay, so panel.
That's the reason why this one wasn't working, because you have to push into the crate to pull it out. You can't just pull it straight out.
Exactly. And this one was already filled with all of our goodies.
Yeah.
So. But yeah, so you could put in that clear panel or like a different color. They have, I think, white, black.
Cool.
Are those labels?
Yes. I popped off the little label marker here and it's got the UbeCube symbol here, but then it's also blank on this side and it comes with a bunch of them per drawer. So if you mess up, you have backup. Or if you want to change your inventory.
And we have a label maker. So we can just create a label with our label maker, stick it right on there, and then you stick it behind the little plastic shield to keep it protected.
And it almost looks like they might sell drawer dividers.
Yes.
For these drawers as well, which is really nice that you can like stick them in there and divide up the drawers. How fun. And we didn't show it with this one because there's a lot of stuff in it right now, but you can kind of see the hinge here. This is where it folds and collapses to become smaller if you don't want to use it at the time. If you just had like an empty crate. But I think we'll keep
you wanted
this
to store
together. I like it. Also feels really sturdy. Like it doesn't feel like cheap plastic or anything like that.
Oh, no. This is the real deal.
Very well made. You can sit on them. Yeah.
Yeah. That's the real deal. And it's going to survive in our storage unit for decades. So
yeah, definitely.
And look at, they have these little things here on the top so that they like stack onto each other and like kind of lock in place.
You can kind of
so there's a little raised area.
Which is so nice. We love it when containers are built to be stacked and lock into place so they're not sliding off of each other. And they did a nice job on this one, including the foot panels for the bottom one so that the whole thing doesn't move, which I also really like. It's pretty cool. So yeah, the only mystery are these things. One more time.
If we can figure this out. Maybe we're just being too gentle.
And I'm like, there's only so much we can do with this information.
No,
she's strong.
I am strong, but... And see, this locks it. So, like, once you get it past, it's going to lock in there. Oh, maybe that's the ticket. Okay, so you just have to put it in a little bit and twist it, and it snaps it into place. So...
Boom. There it is.
Let's see.
Took us forever.
Mine is too tiny. What about yours?
Hey! Oh, you! Look at that. Oh, how fun. I love it. Very handy. Thank you so much, UbeCube. This is great.
I know. Hopefully you have an amazing use for a UbeCube in your house, storage unit, for your work. I mean, there's so many great things that you can do with this product. If you check out their website, you can create like a whole like crafting section, like an office area. And it's sturdy enough to hold like workout supplies, like weights and stuff like that. So yeah.
Awesome.
I love it. Can't wait to fill up all of our little drawers.
I'm going to buy a couple for myself now. All right. Thanks, everybody.